Have you ever found yourself pondering the intricate process of transforming simple cotton into the beautiful fabrics that grace our wardrobes, homes, and workplaces? Delve into the fascinating journey of cotton as we unravel the steps industry professionals take to convert this raw material into usable fabric. The journey begins with the cultivation of cotton plants. Farmers across the globe sow cotton seeds during the spring, nurturing them for a period of about 6 months. As the cotton plants mature, they bear fluffy cotton bolls, which are then harvested by either hand or machine. Once harvested, the cotton bolls undergo a process known as ginning. Ginning serves the critical purpose of separating the cotton fibers from the seeds. In a cotton gin, the cotton bolls are cleaned to remove dirt, leaves, and other unwanted materials. This results in pure, clean cotton fibers, also known as lint, and cotton seeds. The cotton seeds do not go to waste, however. They find their use in the production of cottonseed oil, a common ingredient in many food products. The lint, on the other hand, is the star in the making of cotton fabric. The next stage in the process is spinning. The clean cotton lint is converted into yarn through a process called spinning. This involves twisting the cotton fibers together to form a yarn that is strong, durable, and fit for weaving. The cotton yarn can be spun to different thicknesses, depending on the desired end product. Weaving comes next. The spun cotton yarn is woven into fabric using looms. Looms work by interlacing 2 sets of yarn, the warp, which runs lengthwise, and the weft, which runs crosswise. The interlacing of these yarns results in a woven fabric. The type of weave used can result in different textures and patterns in the fabric. Once the cotton yarn is woven into fabric, it is not yet ready for use. The fabric undergoes a process called finishing. Finishing can involve a range of treatments to enhance the fabric's appearance, feel, and durability. This can include bleaching, dyeing, printing, or applying special finishes such as fire resistance or water repellency. Finally, the finished fabric is inspected for quality, packed, and shipped to various parts of the world, ready to be transformed into clothing, home furnishings, and countless other products that we use in our daily lives. In summary, the process of making fabric from cotton involves several meticulous steps. It starts with the cultivation of cotton plants, followed by harvesting and ginning to separate the cotton fibers from the seeds. The cotton fibers are then spun into yarn, which is woven into fabric. The fabric is then finished in various ways to enhance its properties before it is inspected, packed, and shipped to its final destination. It's a long and fascinating journey from the cotton fields to the final product, a testament to human ingenuity and the wonders of nature.